What's going on, guys? Crustless Crypto here, back in the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Keep smashing that subscribe button. I'll be doing a $50 EGLD giveaway at that 1,000 subscriber mark, so make sure you support the channel. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. You can check out my social media on it, as well as watch my videos and my blog posts. Lastly, make sure you guys are following me on Twitter, Instagram. Again, it's all on my website. Be sure to check it out when you guys have a chance, and I have a Patreon as well. Links in the description and comment section down below. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Let's get into the market here. Bitcoin sitting at $46,000 and went all the way up to 47. The market is looking very nice, guys. 7-day average, as you can see here, Cardano went up by 40%. It's sitting at $2. Market cap's at almost $2 trillion, guys. So the market is going back up. There's a lot of greens, and we're going to be talking about some Elrond today. I always do. Elrond had a nice pump all the way to 140. Right now it's kind of settling down at $134, down 4%. There's a lot of big things happening in the Maiar exchange, and a lot of things happening. I'm very excited to talk about this news with you guys. So if we get into it here, the first thing is Elrond traders on the Maiar exchange will soon be able to enhance their trading experience with the DEX Tools app trading terminal. Minku. So let's check out this article here. We have started a collaboration with DEX Tools to expand the experience of Maiar DEX traders with the insights, strategies, and opportunities enabled by their trading terminal and tools. The DEX tools enable traders to scan available token pairs on decentralized exchanges, follow specific trader wallets, get important insights about the markets, and various notifications delivered through Telegram or email. They can act on the information by connecting to the respective trading interface and capitalizing on observed opportunities. A lot of people want to be in. They want to get the notifications of certain stocks or prices rising in a general aspect, right? Now with these trading terminal presented by DEX Tools, individuals be able to track different prices, like it's saying here, scan available token pairs on these DEX exchanges, right? Decentralized exchanges, and follow trader wallets, see where they're moving cash, what are they buying, what are they selling, and when they're doing it, right? And being able to get it in email or being able to get it in Telegram. I have Telegram followings that I keep track of on certain updates on certain ecosystems and coins, so it's awesome. Our collaboration will bring Maiar DEX info into the DEX Tools terminal, allowing its users to get real-time information about the trading activity on our decentralized exchange platform and expanding their toolkit with valuable additions to streamline their decision-making process. A portion of the DXT token supply will be bridged to the Elrond network as ESDT tokens, making it easy for DEXT holders to tap into the DeFi opportunities on the Maiar exchange. So as you can see here, they're integrating their own coin, and they're going to be bridging it to the ESDT token. So that's very nice. Again, Elrond is really emphasizing integration and making sure that everything is working compatible with one another, and that's what I love. They're not trying to say that they're just, this is my coin and it's either our way or the highway, right? No, it's not like that. It's trying to create a community, trying to create an ecosystem where everybody flourishes, right? This is coming from Minku. By launching on the high throughput, low latency, inexpensive Elrond blockchain, the Maiar exchange is on track to redefine the DeFi experience in terms of performance, cost, and efficiency. Instruments such as the ones provided by DEX Tools can further equip traders with powerful insights that will allow them to be at the forefront of the Elrond DeFi advancement. And this is coming from the DEX Tools co-founder and CMO. The recent explosive debut of the Maiar exchange on the public DevNet indicates a strong appetite for Elrond DeFi products from a very early stage. We look forward to engaging with the enthusiastic Elrond community and enable them to unlock the power of DEX Tools for making awesome trading decisions. People want to leverage risk and reward, right? They don't want to take too much risk, but they want to have a reasonable amount of reward from the risk that they take. So this is huge, and it's talking about the DevNet, and we're going to be getting into that right now. So without further ado, let's see what Lucian Minku has to say here. Infiltrate launch secrets. The Maiar DEX is live on the Elrond network DevNet. If you guys are not tracking, this was released on the 13th of August. Yes, the Maiar DEX is live on the DevNet right now, on the Elrond network DevNet. So pretty huge news, guys. It's gonna be coming very, very soon. I am looking forward to that. Let's see what this blog post has to say. The Maiar exchange is a new and powerful economic engine for the Elrond ecosystem. Its ability to enable global, inexpensive, automated, near-instant value transfers across many currencies opens a new chapter for the Elrond ecosystem. Another step closer to becoming the backbone of a high-bandwidth, low-latency, transparent financial system that is accessible by anyone, anywhere. And this is the Elrond perspective. Elrond has come a long way, but this all started with a public testnet where the Elrond community provided invaluable feedback along with intense real-world testing sprints. So guys, the exercise concluded with the launch of the Elrond mainnet. For more than 1 year, the Elrond network ran uninterrupted with zero downtime and no security issues. It has grown beyond 700,000 accounts, 3,200 distributed validator nodes, processed more than 7 million transactions, and is secured by more than $1.5 billion worth of stakes. This in itself is a remarkable milestone for the Elrond ecosystem. So guys, with that said, right, let's talk about what exactly it's saying, right? By all relevant metrics, the Elrond blockchain is the first in a generation of high-speed networks that can process high volumes of transactions, is scalable to beyond 100,000 transactions per second, and is meaningfully decentralized and utilizes a sharded proof-of-stake architecture. It has live smart contracts, native ESDT tokens, and numerous other innovations such as smart accounts, improved NFT and SFT standards, and more. So guys, let's get into exactly what's happening, right? Enter the Maiar DEX chaos testing launch. It is now time to repeat that sequence for the Maiar DEX launch process. The first step begins today, opening the community testing phase. The phase will be referred to as a chaos testing phase, attempting to inject episodic entropy doses into the Maiar DEX in order to test resiliency and fortify robustness. Point blank, basically saying we want to make sure that when we actually release it publicly, it's not going to break, it's not going to be, it's not going to explode into a million pieces. They want to make sure that it is robust, it is fortified, it's secure, and it's functioning as it should be, right? Some of the more important questions, right? So it kind of gets into what is the Maiar DEX and a true DeFi game changer, right? What is it? What is the MEX exchange, right? What is the Maiar exchange? It is a DEX AMM running on the Elrond network. It is built by the same team that has built the Elrond protocol. You could call it the official decentralized exchange, and there can be any number of decentralized exchanges built on Elrond. But the team wanted to build the first one because it is special. And then what is special about the Maiar exchange? So these are the things that's going to be broken down of why it makes it important, right? You have state sharding. The Elrond blockchain is the first live blockchain with state sharding. Other chains with similar architectures, such as Ethereum 2.0, are still in development or are yet to enable state sharding. Anyone who wants to understand sharded DeFi should pay attention to Elrond DeFi. NFT liquidity pool tokens, you can trade, collateralize, providing liquidity on the Maiar exchange, gives you LP tokens like any other AMM DEX. Uniquely in the space, the Maiar exchange LP tokens are tradable. This means you can provide liquidity, then sell your position or take a loan against it. So many different things you guys can do. You can use those tokens as collateral. Awesome, and a DeFi first because of Elrond's unique ESDT, which is the Elrond standard digital token, guys, architecture. And then with the Maiar app, onboarding 2FA. You can use the Maiar app to log in and sign transactions on the Maiar exchange. As secure as a Ledger hardware wallet, as convenient as Face ID plus tapping on the screen. So they're making it super easy to verify your identity and to authorize transactions, which is sweet. Plus, the Maiar is super easy to use. It automatically and securely creates a wallet in seconds using just a phone number. Not shared, only a hash of it is used one time for wallet creation. 500,000 users on the Maiar app, and it was just launched in February, 6 months ago. So that's huge. That is a huge amount of people using the app, guys. I am an avid user of it. And why is it important? The Maiar exchange. The Elrond ecosystem has 200 plus partners. Once the Maiar exchange launches, their tokens will be able to have liquidity, and this means their community will be able to trade their tokens, and this will generate adoption for the Maiar exchange volume and generate more transactions on the Elrond blockchain, increasing demand for EGLD in the process. So what that means for us is the price is going to increase immensely. It's going to create a lot of value for the ecosystem and for the coin. When will the Maiar exchange launch? And once the chaos testing phase and battle of yields phases end. So this is the phase right now. This is the final phases, guys, before the Maiar exchange will officially launch. This is the making sure that, again, it's just running as it is intended to, and making sure that all the bugs are mitigated as much as possible. So the MEX is the token powering the Maiar exchange. It's governance plus fee collection. So kind of like a Pancake Swap, Uniswap, etc., right? So how do you get started? Here's what you need to know before you log in. Your mainnet funds are safe and not used at all in the testing process. If you log in with your existing Maiar app, for example, you will see the same address as on the mainnet. The difference is that it is a completely different blockchain, so there's no connection to your mainnet holdings. If this topic is not clear to you and you want to have peace of mind, they understand, guys, and this stuff is hard. So create a new wallet if you don't want to risk your funds, right? But they're saying that your funds are safe. The Maiar Exchange test platform uses the public DevNet blockchain, and this means that EGLD, MEX, Bitcoin USD, and other tokens have no real value there. So it's all make pretend, right? It's all just for demonstration purposes. Some of the values displayed, such as MEX price or APR for forms, are not an indication of the real life platform values. This is just a test. The platform can be slow, unresponsive, and even break. This is exactly what we want to test, so every time you manage to break it, you'll have done a great job. So please let them know what happened so they can fix it, and there's no real MEX to be claimed. It's a test. So guys, they're going to be breaking it down step by step, how to use the DevNet Maiar Exchange. Again, it's all for demonstration purposes. Your funds are safe, and you're going to be using it and just kind of playing around with it. So this is how you do it, right? You log in and claim your test EGLD. You start testing the liquidity flows and provide feedback. And then that's pretty much it, guys. I might do a video on how to use it in the DevNet. We'll see what you guys want me to do. But with that said, this is kind of just a brief overview of basically the Maiar Exchange launching on the DevNet. So this is very exciting. I'm very excited that we're finally at this stage. It's been months in the making, guys, but we're finally here. So closing thoughts: with this major launch, a new phase begins for Elrond. Now is the time to get involved, start testing, and provide valuable feedback. We expect this chaos testing phase to take at least 1 week, and once 3 days have passed without any new issues being discovered, validating the robustness and stability of the Maiar DEX, we'll be ready for the final and most intense testing phase, where a hacking prize will be awarded for discovering the Maiar DEX critical issues and even breaking the architecture. They want you guys to get in there and destroy it because they want to make sure that it is good to go, guys. So awesome news. Very huge news, guys. August 12th, about 3 days ago. So if you guys did not see this, make sure you guys read this article. I'll put it in the link in the comment section down below, guys. Huge news. Lastly, this is from a good person I have on Twitter, Bob Pickett. I want to shout out to him. Here are some numbers a friend found for governing coins. I calculated the return on investments and added MEX to his work. I've just extrapolated from completely incomplete data, so you can see a very rough estimation of what the MEX will bring us. So as you can see, guys, this kind of shows how much money you could make on the Maiar Exchange. I'm not too familiar exactly, where or how we're doing this, whether it's from farming. Bob Pickett, if you're watching this video, please elaborate in the comment section down below on my Twitter. From what I see here, MEX is the number of coins in purse. You have that much invested, the price coin per purchase, and the number of MEX purchased, and then obviously when the price sells. I don't know what this $2.9 million is coming from. That would be nice if we could all make that. But please elaborate on what exactly does this mean. Is this in regards to like the farming, or because what I see here is that much percentage, right? Over 20,000% is average of above $25. So it's based on the entry price times the return on investment. So basically, I'm pretty sure it's breaking down how the coins, how much coins you'd make per day, per week, per month, and per year. But if that's the case, that is a lot of money to be made. Something for you guys to look at. If anybody has more information on exactly what this represents, please let me know. This is his Twitter. Again, I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate that. Lastly, Maiar Exchange is now live on the Elrond DevNet. I've already said this, but this was kind of a follow-up tweet, basically summarizing the week in Elrond, right? So, demonstrating for the first time how a truly sharded and decentralized blockchain architecture can be the foundation for a global financial system that can really operate at the internet scale, guys. So, I'm not going to read it all because we're already cutting into about 15 minutes here, but I want to talk about some of the main key features here. So let's get into it, right? The DevNet Maiar Exchange brought in 5K people testing with the platform, resulting in more than 100,000 smart contract calls being executed in a short time frame. The smart contract for the Maiar Launchpad has been undergoing rigorous auditing and testing, bringing the security of the process and involved funds at a very high level. The process will be reiterated at a number of times until no more issues can be found. Poly Network Bridge discussions and updates on smart contracts. You have the Elrond Ethereum Bridge discussion and set up on the DevNet for internal testing phase. Final internal audit on Maiar Exchange and architecture, a lot of testing on the Maiar Exchange, and audited the Launchpad smart contract, fuzzing, chaos testing, and trying to break it in any way possible. Infrastructure testing and monitoring for API Maiar Exchange, performance improvements, new metrics, and JWT authentication for the MEX service. And lastly, finalized implementation for batch transactions using the Maiar Exchange. So you have Ledger Live common integration, PR merge, and then you have some other, buggy stuff or nerdy stuff. So huge updates, guys. I'm excited. Again, I'm excited to see what the Maiar Exchange has in store for us. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. The Maiar Exchange is coming soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend and enjoy your time with friends and family. I'll see you guys in my next video on Monday. Have a good one.
Bye.